Okay, this is very suggestive of a Haarp attack from the Southern Pacific Haarp transmitter. We have a line of very strange looking clouds going up to a dry air pocket in around this thunderstorm in northeastern Colorado. So let's have a look at this strange cloud pattern. Okay, this is in long wave infrared, and you can see this very strange looking stuff here. What I've been calling the herringbone, which it definitely looks that way. Let me stop it. Okay, so first we got, I'm zooming too far, I'm sorry. First we got the transmitter down here, and then from that it's going up to northeastern Colorado. So its beam is going up this way. So these herringbones are perpendicular. And we've got a nice group of them here. And then farther up we've got Four Corners area, a nice group of them there. You know, it's kind of hard to see. Let me move this back some more. Anyway, let me just zoom some more. Okay, so we've got some nice herringbone there. And it continues up here. And it's aiming at this big pop-up thunderstorm over northeastern Colorado. And this area here is an area of suddenly dry air, which the jet stream and surface pressure does not explain why there's suddenly a bunch of dry air there. Here, let's have a look at this, and you can see it running. Okay, so here's our transmitter, and the beam is going up just like this, and we have these herringbones spaced pretty much evenly, and then a pocket of dry air appearing up here. So that's pretty much classic for the Haarp attack, Haarp downburst, and also the Nexrad shows these herringbones. See them right here, which is pretty unusual. But so we've got 2 satellites, 8 wavelengths, and the Nexrad showing the herringbone, all oriented, pointing back to the Pacific Haarp. And you know, if we see this guy suddenly get squashed down and disappear, well, we know he's not going to do well because of this ton of dry air. A thunderstorm is trying to roll into a pocket of dry air is not going to last very long. So this dry air here, you can't explain it by if we look first at the surface pressure. Kind of busy, but we're talking about right here. This is another clue that it's a Haarp downburst, because look at this, I mean, weird shape on this pressure map here. Okay, so this line here is all equal pressure. Now that ain't normal. That ain't normal. What's normal is to have something like that, or something like that, you know. But to have a thing that looks like this, and that's the isobar. That's a low pressure. Okay, so a low pressure means rising air. So I don't really think that explains this pocket of dry air right there. And if we look at the jet stream, that's very simple. It's just shooting eastward. Okay, so I think that's pretty good evidence that late in the day, just before daybreak, dusk, the Pacific Haarp is being used to attack newly popped up thunderstorm. Oops, wrong map. A newly popped up thunderstorm in Colorado. Right as the sun's going down, then we're talking this guy right here. And you can see from the shadow it's a big one. And it's moving into this area of dry air here now. So it's going to not last very long. And again, this is attacking Kansas. This rain might actually go into Kansas, or will go into Kansas. And Kansas has been on their list for drought for, I don't know, years. And here in this map, we can even see the herringbone here. Let me stop it. That's a pretty picture there. I mean, that's kind of neat. That herringbone is extending all the way down, pretty much in a straight line back to the transmitter. The transmitter's right here. So it's going up like that. That's pretty neat. So, for my money, this is a Haarp downburst. I mean, Haarp transmission. And so much power, it just shows up in the clouds. So, anyway, I thought that was interesting. Hope you guys enjoy seeing that. It takes hours and hours of research to make one of these videos, so you guys are getting off cheap. Okay, thanks for watching.